Greetings. Welcome to part 8 of my theme titled The Pastor Edwards US $25 billion Ecotourism Program, attracting an extra 10 million visitors to Jamaica each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans, earning an extra US $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Today's title is Why Migrant Workers for Hotel Industry, while 25% of Jamaicans are unemployed. Subject for today's topical discussions are 1. Too many large all-inclusive hotels are being built in the wrong locations. 2. Why many Jamaicans cannot leave their rural towns and villages to work in the tourism hotspots. And 3. Government secret plans to import migrant laborers. 4 and last, the answer to the dilemma of migrant workers versus unemployed Jamaicans. Now, most of the developments taking place in Jamaica are happening in the two cities of Kingston and Montego Bay, or the developments are meant to serve those same two cities. For example, the roads are being built for vehicles leading to and from Kingston and Montego Bay. Likewise, most of the new hotels in Jamaica are being built in or near Montego Bay and the 2 or 3 other tourism hotspots in Jamaica. Cramming too much hotels in one place will lead to a shortage of hotel workers in those areas. The dilemma that this will create for Jamaicans is that though there are hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans who would welcome a permanent full-time job in the hotels industry, the types of people who would welcome the hotel's jobs the most are not people who can simply uproot themselves from their towns and villages across Jamaica to go and work in Montego Bay, Negril, or Ocho Rios. People have their partners and children to look after. Some have their little makeshift houses on capture land or family land that they have no documents for. If they leave those houses for a couple of years, they may not be able to go back to their properties, as someone else might capture their capture land, etc. I've seen people in the UK with those issues where other people capture their spots because they had no legal rights to that spot in the first place. Hence, when the government cannot get local laborers to work in the large all-inclusive hotels that they have crammed in 3 or 4 towns in Jamaica, then they will announce that Jamaica have reached full unemployment status. Hence, they cannot help but allow migrant workers to work in Jamaica's hotel industry, etc. However, it will all be due to the government's faults for not foreseeing the problems in the same way that I am warning about the issues years before it starts to manifest itself in a major way. The plans to house migrant workers are already in place. The hotels are building houses to house hotel workers. The government is spending this to say that the houses are for Jamaican hotel workers. But I believe that a lot of migrant workers will be staying in those houses that the hotels are building. Hence, Jamaicans will not even know what is going on until it's too late, because those migrant workers will be traveling from the hotel houses to work in the hotels every day, traveling on the buses provided by the hotels, etc. The reasons for all this will be because the government refuses to allow tourism to spread around Jamaica. The answer to this dilemma that the government is bringing upon Jamaicans is to spread the tourism product around Jamaica. People need to be able to take a 20-minute taxi drive from their homes to work in a hotel, then get back home to their families afterwards each day. I am basing my assumptions upon the words of the Minister of Tourism several months ago when he said,
"We know the difficulties there, but we've had challenges. And first challenge, Madam Speaker, has been to maintain a sustainable supply of skilled labor for the sector. And we recognize that to be a global challenge, it's well known. However, some of these issues persist, and innovative solutions will have to be found and fast-tracked. And I mean, foreign workers or anything like that. We have to ensure that the capacity to deliver on the demand that this recovery is presented is here in Jamaica, and we do not lose out because of human capital disruptions."
He was referring to the tourism industry during the same period of time when he was doing the groundbreaking for the hotels, houses, etc. Okay, this is part 8 of my current theme. Look out for part 9. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. You can see my notes in the comments section, and also check out the description section as well of this post. Until my next video, peace.